You
Fresh
see,
drop.
the GLE where you promise Lisa Hyper, hurry up and buy her it here. Kartel, teacher, hear me I say. See it? You see the GLE where you promise Lisa Hyper, buy her it here. I know you have the money, you can do it. Just take me foolish advice.
Lisa Hype basically follow the crowd.
Fresh drop.
Better people them and this Vibes Kartel. Vibes Kartel haters them attack long time including Footer Hype. Say the X1 with Vibes Kartel by Sean Starmer fuckery.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll look into the reason as to why Lisa Hype went off on Vibes Kartel. J Progress I say Lisa Hype did come out, did things that Kartel go come out of jail and be in love with she, and true Kartel really pose up with them she in her feelings, so because she not get no attention from Kartel and Dexter that not answer phone, she go off. Also, we have Footer Hype send a strong warning to Kartel, say listen, if you no give Lisa Hype the GLE or whichever car she want, dance all like a mash up. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. So Lisa Hyper woke up this morning and decided to continue to choose violence. She done Kartel last night and she done Moody and she done Vanessa Bling. The next victim is going to be Shana Controller. She posted on her now deleted story say and tag her to say Shana Controller, I have a piece of bad word pudding for you see for me friend where you met them and alive a cassava piece and my cousin where you did a try if watch me bad word. Your siren spirit can't work upon my husband no more. Me free from him. From you go on with your outlet. I could care less about him. And my husband me I do all of this for Louis Anthony Garrison. Who is that? If you don't know who that, tell me in the comment section. And is she married for real? Because you know we as Jamaican woman we love say husband. No make me know. Because she could have never married and based up on the internet. You understand me? But it just, well, I don't know. Uno tell me if you think that she have one episode or Kartel do something or say something for really trigger her. Because me did hear that she, you know, she bipolar or whatever. But I've never really paid attention to it. But here's the thing now. If you have somebody have something, call them phone, go in the yard, talk about it off the air. Because to be honest, Gaza Nation never really pay attention to Lisa Hype until Kartel come out. And now him give you a song or him help give you strength to the song when you drop with the soul cry. You see, now that you do this now, them not gonna look for you. You get what I say? You weren't the biggest artist out of Gaza camp. So the strength where they look for from Kartel, this is unforgivable in my eyes, because if you're there on somebody, only if you get things and because you don't get what you want, you go start show your true colors. They can't bring you back around them. Secondly, not even Kartel enemy would want you around them, because guess what, then go you them not praise you go do the same thing. But this is what J Progress had to say on the topic. Him say basically Lisa Hype red eye, and also she's still in love with Vibes Kartel, and she did things that when in come out of prison he did out there with she right out like how him and Shati left. Cause remember I know she did go up on Shelly and go expose her Shati do, and she really bust out the to her, you know, whether I true or not. So she did things say alright, me get the man and I true Kartel come out and a par with see them pan his arm. Is like Kartel got foreign now and a carrier. So I don't know if that a liquor chip, but this is what Judge Progress had to say on the whole matter. Check this out.
Lisa Hype basically follow the crowd.
Fresh drop.
Better people them and this Vibes Kartel. Vibes Kartel haters them attack long time including Footer Hype. Say the X1 with Vibes Kartel by Sean Starmer fuckery and by Mooney Benz. Lisa Hype go on a rant. Lisa Hype me a talk boy, you know. We a quiz up Kartel bars. We each and pan Kartel like Kartel a steel and she a magnet. And I go on like say she and Kartel there. And I no see them and Kartel there. Listen me. When you look back on my video them, don't become burn out Lisa Hype the other day. When me see my at Monday, I touch up Kartel somewhere and I know say there is no way if you deal with Kartel so and you say you there and see them and know say Kartel and see them there on a level. Don't become burn out Lisa Hype. The energy did real. Lisa Hype. Did I expect say Kartel to come from prison and I go dig out her hole like back in the days? You hear me I say? Kartel come from prison a different man and not at the them level. The Kartel I work with see them who have the lucky hole. Right? Lisa Hype come now. Come this Vybz Kartel. Why did Lisa Hype this Vybz Kartel? You don't know. Lisa Hype this Vybz Kartel because from Vybz Kartel come from prison. Lisa Hype a follow up back a Kartel. I'm a dad, I'm a father, I'm a daddy, Ray. Right? If you open that Kartel, I go give her a hit song. You know why Lisa Hype this Vybz Kartel now? Because the collab when think Vybz Kartel we go give. If he give the world hit song. Him no get it yet. But him go get a song of our own. The other day. We are getting a little momentum, so it get to Lisa Hype head and basically say no need Vybz Kartel, because Kartel do nothing with her for that song. Soul cry. We are getting a little run right now. Lisa, he get to Lisa Hype head and must say but Vybz Kartel not put no work in this. And me get it song, after he come from prison, me back at him, and him don't give me a collab. Here where Kartel go do now, where trigger Lisa Hype head. Kartel go do a collab with Aishana.
Fresh drop.
What if you hear me say? Lisa Hype follow back up at the Kartel back here and will Kartel bagging copy everything and look for a hit song. And Kartel go give Aishana a hit song. Lisa Hype bitter. Lisa Hype a chip. Because all our Lisa Hype wanna do was to get trending again off of Vybz Kartel and get another hit song. But true she will get the soul cry now. We get a little run. And still none was half of Vybz Kartel's strength make people even look on our song them right now. It get to Lisa Hype head. And the song with Vybz Kartel and Aishana go do. It a mad Lisa Hype because the song a run. It get to Lisa Hype head. That's why Lisa Hype follow the crowd and subliminally this Vybz Kartel. Or a man fi buy Siva X1 we a fuckery and buy Mooney Benz. Lisa Hype make Siva was say him I go buy my Benz because Mooney never go to 13 year prison. A Siva do it. So a man fi buy Siva all X1 and buy Mooney Benz. Lisa Hype, let me tell you no people. Anytime you see some people around you, a something them a look. Lisa Hype never get what she want in time. But you see some people who have no patience, that always reach them. Cause watch you now. Kartel give Aishana a little song. And it a run. Remember, Lisa Hype, you have follow back a Kartel batty every day. I wipe the man's sweat, I hold him cup and do everything. How much song Kartel we have in the pipeline for you? But you no greedy and care all out. Look how long in the music I will not go worldwide yet. So why you think as a man come from prison you go worldwide? That's why I turn on this Vybz Kartel. Let me tell you, see sometimes I see some people can't reach nowhere. I chew them bad mind. And me tell you, bad mind will just come out of people just like that. Lisa Hype, God go with you. Cause your career done for you this Vybz Kartel. Believe me tell you that.
Now I don't know what is happening between Beenie Man and his daughter Desha. For years, Carlin did come out and say, you know, him not help, and even the angel did say him not help with the pity them. And now Desha get up and choose violence this morning. What is happening in the air? She made a post and this is what she said. You put a next fuck out over your kids. LOL, I really hope this next one don't fuck on your ear. Cause you lame your fuck as a father, no cap. And since Camille are your world, make sure you sign prenup. You hear that? LOL, Jaja, can't believe you style me once more. Cause you just have to be a girl clown. You win, me no want see your party. Just I beg you do the right by my siblings. Cause you know me no want nothing from you. God no like ugly. And she at him at King Beenie Man. Oh, the internet is just doing the most this morning. Me don't know who did put out the calendar with there and put scatter for number 1, as in for January. Me don't know if I between Kartel or Beenie Man I go get the slot for February. But mighty God, don't tell me what go on in the comment section. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. Also turn on your post notification bell. That way you're the first one to get my uploads. I'll see you next time. Bye.